Investing in new windows is one of the smartest decisions Clermont homeowners can make. Not only do modern windows boost energy efficiency and enhance curb appeal, but they also improve indoor comfort and can even increase your home's resale value. However, to ensure your investment lasts for years to come, it's essential to follow proper maintenance practices. Here are the best ways to keep your new windows in top condition after replacement. Regular cleaning for clarity and longevity. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to maintain your windows is through consistent cleaning. Clermont's weather, with its mix of sunshine, humidity, and occasional storms, can leave dirt, pollen, and water spots on glass surfaces. Glass care. Use a gentle, non-abrasive glass cleaner or a mixture of water and vinegar. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage window coatings. Frames. For vinyl or aluminum frames, wipe them down with mild soap and water. Wooden frames may require a specialized cleaner to protect finishes. Screens. Remove and gently wash screens twice a year to prevent buildup of dust and debris. Keeping windows clean not only improves their appearance but also helps you spot any early signs of wear. Inspect seals and caulking. Proper seals are crucial for energy efficiency and preventing water intrusion. Over time, caulking can crack or loosen, especially in Clermont's humid climate. Inspect seals around frames at least twice a year. Reapply caulk where gaps or cracks appear. Pay close attention to weather stripping. Replace it if it's worn or no longer provides a tight seal. By addressing these small issues early, you'll avoid larger problems like leaks, drafts, or mold growth. Maintain smooth operation. Windows that don't open or close properly can be frustrating and unsafe. To keep them functioning smoothly, lubricate tracks and hinges with a silicone-based lubricant once or twice a year. Check locking mechanisms to ensure they work securely. Keep tracks clear of dirt, leaves, or insects, which can build up and block movement. Maintaining easy operation ensures your windows remain functional and safe, especially in emergencies where quick ventilation or exit is needed. Protect against Clermont's climate. The Florida climate brings both sunshine and heavy rain, which can affect window performance if not managed correctly. Use blinds or curtains to reduce UV exposure on hot days, protecting both windows and interior furnishings. During storm season, ensure windows are properly latched to prevent water and wind intrusion. If you have impact-resistant windows, check them periodically to confirm they're still in good condition. Proper care ensures your windows remain durable even under challenging weather conditions. Schedule professional inspection. While routine maintenance is something homeowners can handle, it's also wise to schedule periodic professional inspections. Window specialists can check for hidden issues like condensation between panes. Test for proper insulation and energy efficiency. Recommend small repairs before they become costly replacements. An annual checkup is an excellent way to extend the lifespan of your windows. Conclusion: new windows are a valuable investment for your Clermont home, offering beauty, efficiency, and comfort. By practicing regular cleaning, inspecting seals, ensuring smooth operation, and taking precautions against local weather, you can maximize their lifespan and performance. Pairing homeowner care with occasional professional inspections will keep your windows looking and functioning like new for years to come. With just a little attention, your new windows won't just protect your home, they'll also enhance your everyday living experience.